There's definitely some moisture from that last feeding. There's a worm there. There's an itty bitty worm there. I can't get to it, but there's another worm. I got two over here. Just knocking them back in. Okay, so this was that pretty big feeding. Bananas. I think there were some carrots, some lettuce, some celery. Okay, still seeing the carrots, which I kind of figured. This has been 4 days. Man, that's beautiful. See them all down in there too. Another bit of asparagus. See how the worms are right on the edge? Okay, there's another piece of banana over here. Ooh. Nobody's in it, but looks like there's another little pile right next to it. Oh yeah. Ooh, that feels like a little pile there too. Oh, and grape stem. Seeing that I'm not ready to do anything with this yet, I'm just going to throw this over in the corner there, let it start drying out, and then the next time I can come in and take that out, I'm going to grind it up and then add it back to the bin. So, as I was kind of hoping for, this added a ton of moisture to the bin. Let me pop this lid back on. There's a bunch of little baby worms on this. And then I want to go check the other bin. Okay, let's see how this is looking. Oh, I got a worm right there. Boop. Got a worm right there. Boop. Another couple babies on the side here. Like I said, we did have some thunderstorms that rolled through the other day, so maybe that kind of got them all spazzed out. I don't know. So here's the side. You can see this is where I fed just a little bit more. Come on. This is practically deteriorated, so ooh. I got a little bit of fungusy growth. Possibly might have fed a little bit too much. So I think I'll go back to my half scoop and just have to check on it, you know, a few times. Just looking to see if I see anything crazy. This is not hot at all. It's cool and slightly damp. There's a bunch of little worms, so and that was right in that, right in this feeding area. So like I said, I guess, oh wow, did you see that? There's another little pocket of them. So they are hanging around. Okay, so at least I'll leave this so I know this is the area that I did feed when I go ahead and get ready to do the next video. Not sure which way I'm going for the next feeding yet. If it'll be this bin, both bins. So I showed you guys how the bins were after 4 days. There's that grape stem. I think we're still going to have a good amount of carrots. Can you see inside the carrot there? That's pretty cool. I'm at least happy to see they are trying to go after it. Guess I'm just gonna start moving stuff over this way. This is where that banana, I believe, was. Oh, it's squishy. Oh, it's squishy. Whoops. I think the other banana was over this way. Oh, yeah, it's... Oh, so... Lots of worms. Ugh. Okay. Ugh. Oh, wow. All underneath. Let's see if I can... Oh yeah, they're loving this. Okay. So, time to give this a good once over. Make sure I get nice and low. Make sure everything's all turned. Haha, here's my other grape stem. Next feeding's going to be over this way. I'll give that a little turn. Okay, I'm going to add a bunch of new bedding here. bring this over. So kind of have a banana on each side. Come on, break. There's another little hole. So hopefully, like I said, the worms will keep going after this. You know, carrots, they're slow food. I have some lettuce, which is going to help to add moisture to this new bedding. I'm hoping it can pull kind of apart, which it somewhat is. And then some blueberries that started going bad. Got some coffee grounds. My eggshells ground up, as you see all that powder. And then I even have a little bit of the worm chow. So I'll just give that a little sprinkling on there. I want to keep them to the side so they can dry out some. Coffee filter to mark the feeding. I'm just going to leave these guys on top so they can, any worms that are on there will hopefully go back right into the bedding. And then I'm hoping for the next feeding I can just break that all apart and just shove it in the bedding. Well, thanks for coming along and checking this out, everybody. Have a great day.